When someone yawns, I often find myself yawning unconsciously. This yawning contagion is not just a simple habit, it is deeply related to the brain's empathy ability. Our brains have mirror neurons that make us unconsciously mimic the actions of others. Especially, the yawns of people close to us are more easily contagious. This is because it signals empathy and social bonding. This phenomenon even occurs among animals. Both humans and chimpanzees yawn in response to each other. In other words, yawning is not just an expression of fatigue. It is a language of empathy.
Speak like a genius in just 30 seconds. 30 seconds science.